Welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to export and back up your Outlook emails and account data. If this video helped, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook opens, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Files from the left side menu. Now select Export. At this point, Outlook normally allows you to export your mailbox data into a backup file. This is useful if you want to move your emails to another computer, create a backup, or keep important mailbox data saved offline. However, some users may notice that the Get Started button is grayed out. You may also see a message saying that Outlook data files require a Microsoft 365 subscription. If this happens, it means your current Outlook account does not support exporting PST backup files directly from Outlook. But don't worry, because there are still other ways to access and protect your Outlook emails. The first thing to know is that Outlook automatically syncs most of your mailbox data through the cloud. This means your emails, folders, contacts, and calendar events are usually stored online automatically. So, if you switch to another computer, you can simply install Outlook and sign in with the same email account. Once you log in, Outlook will begin syncing your mailbox automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your mailbox, this may take a few minutes. After the syncing finishes, your inbox, sent items, archive folders, and other mailbox information should appear automatically. Your contacts and calendar events should sync to the new device. Now let me show you another useful way to manually back up important emails. Open any email you want to save. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the email window. From the menu that appears, click on Save As. You will now see options such as EML and MSG. The EML format works with many different email applications and is useful for general backups. The MSG format is designed mainly for Microsoft Outlook and keeps Outlook-specific formatting and details. Choose the format you want to use. Then select a location on your computer where you want to save the email. For example, you can save it to your desktop, Documents folder, or an external hard drive. After that, click Save. You can repeat this process for any important emails you want to keep safe. This method is very useful for saving things like work emails, receipts, attachments, school documents, important conversations. Another option is accessing Outlook through a web browser. Simply open your browser and sign in to your Outlook account online. Since Outlook uses cloud syncing, your emails and folders should already appear automatically there as well. So, even if exporting PST files is unavailable, you still have several easy ways to back up and access your Outlook emails. That's it. You now know how to export and protect your Outlook emails and account data step by step. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps support the channel and lets me keep making more videos like this.